In this video, we will walk you through how to use the API Source Identification service available on the Pharminho platform. Finding a reliable and compliant API manufacturer is one of the most critical steps in pharmaceutical product development. The API Source Identification service helps you discover suitable API manufacturers that align with regulatory expectations and support a smooth development and submission process. To begin, navigate to Service Catalog section and select API Source Identification. On the Service Details page, you can review the service description, estimated response time, and the information required to process your request. Through this service, our experts help you identify suitable API manufacturers that meet quality and regulatory requirements, find reliable sourcing options to support consistent product development and supply, and reduce the time and effort involved in identifying compliant API partners. To submit a request, tap the Start button. You will then be redirected to the information form where you need to provide the API name and any additional requirements or specifications that may help our team better understand your request. After entering the required details, tap Review to verify the information provided. Once reviewed, accept the terms and conditions and approve the deduction of the required Vcash amount from your wallet. Then tap Submit. Upon successful submission, your service request will be created and assigned a unique service ID. The service ID can be used to track the progress of your request within the tracking section of the platform. Here you can see your service request and its current status. Our expert team will review your submission and share the identified API source details directly through the tracking section. All communication updates and responses related to service will be available in a conversation-style interface, ensuring complete transparency throughout the process. One of the key benefits of this service is the ability to ask up to 2 follow-up questions. After receiving the initial response from our team, this follow-up query can be submitted directly within the same conversation thread, allowing you to seek additional clarification or information without creating a new service request. The follow-up question facility remains available for 7 days from the date of receiving the response, ensuring you have sufficient time to review the information and obtain any additional guidance you may need. With API Source Identification, Pharminho helps simplify the process of finding API manufacturing partners, enabling faster and more informed regulatory and product development decisions.